Today we will see another problem of constraint writing, that is factorial of a number. You have to generate a number that should be factorial of another number. I am taking an integer and that is declared in rand, and I am writing a first constant in which I am writing x should be inside 1 to 10. Now I am taking help of post randomization. After randomization done, post randomization will automatically called, and here first I am displaying uh, x value, whatever it is generated. I am writing it in dollar right. It will not give the slash n character at the end, and it will not change the line. And after that I am mm, assigning the return of fac x function to the same x variable. If you want to take another variable and assign to it. I am assigning in the same variable x and in function. Now here you can see it is calling fac function, so I have to write fac function for finding factorial. For that I am writing a function that is automatic type, return type is int, and it is taking n. Here I am passing x, which is generated by this constant. Now first it will check n is less than 2. If it is 2, return 1, otherwise return n into fac of n minus 1. It will a recursive call of the same function. You should write the automatic for this function. Now in the module I am writing first creating handle and object. Now I am randomizing 10 times, and here I am displaying the a1.x, means the factorial. First it will print the whatever x is generated. After that it will print here what will be the factorial of generated x value, and it will give slash n at last and change the line. So first run it and see the what is the output. So you can see that this thing is printed by this line dollar right and x value before calling this function, and after calling the function x is updated, and this is the updated value which is displayed by the display function. So you can verify that 6 is the factorial of 3, 6 is the factorial of 3, and 5040 is the factorial of 7, and like that you can verify it. So this constraint will generate all factorial. I think you can understand this code. If you understand this, like this video, and if you have any another idea, comment it. We will meet in next video. Thank you.